Hey there everyone, Diamond with you here. In this video I'm going to show you how to correctly download and install the Diamond Strategies program. So let's start with the download part. When you come to our website and you hit download the program or get Diamond Strategies or whichever button leads you to this page, you're going to see this page basically to download the program and to create an account. So first and foremost, the program only runs on Windows. So if you want to run it on a MacBook, I recommend you read the bottom text here and do accordingly. If you want to install it on Windows, just hit this button and the download window will start downloading the program. If it says that it's dangerous or something like that, just hit the arrow button and click keep on Chrome. It's going to be similar but different on other browsers. So just download the program. And once you have it downloaded, I would recommend you go ahead and create the account. So just getting the account is very simple. You hit the button, sign up here, put in your name, email address, and so on. Just create the account. And once you have both the account and the program, what we're going to do next is we're going to install it. So when you have the installer downloaded, the installation process is very simple. So if you download it, just hit OK here. So if you download the program from our website, you will most likely get the developer version. The developer version includes, in the installation package, it includes our program, includes Visual Studio for development of algorithms, includes our template for Visual Studio for the algorithm, and it also includes a Microsoft SQL Server. Now, Microsoft SQL Server comes with both the normal and the developer versions of the installer. This is used to keep track of the logs that your automated executions generate, the trades that it takes, so that once you restart the program, it remembers what was happening before. So all of this data, all of this information is stored on the database. So don't be surprised if you see after the installation goes through additional programs being installed. So just make sure you go through with everything, don't cancel any installations, and that's when everything's going to work smoothly. If you cancel something out, you might have some troubles later on. So you double click the installer, hit OK for the language. I recommend you install everything to the default location, so that makes things troubleshooting things easier. Also, if you're going to be following our tutorials, it's just we're going to be using everything from the default location. So install it there, nothing changes here. You click next, and obviously do you want or not the desktop shortcut, and you hit next and install. The installation goes pretty quickly, and at this point, if you don't have Visual Studio on your computer, if you don't have Microsoft SQL Server installed, it's going to ask you to install those additional pieces of programs. So just let them install, click OK where you need to click OK, and don't cancel anything. And once everything finishes up, you will get to a point where you see right now. So just hit finish, and the Diamond Strategies program is ready to use. So thank you so much for watching, and happy coding.